Starcast is here, and I must say, Suresh sir, Suresh Oberoi, very, very punctual. It's so much to learn from you, sir. Every now and then we meet you. So, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं because वक्त आ चुका है the much awaited trailer launch of the film that we all have been waiting to see, Azad Bharat, a film by Rupa Iyer ji. तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ अभिनंदन मेरा नाम, अभिनंदन करना मेरा काम. आप सबका, the entire media fraternity का आपका अभिनंदन करता हूं to the trailer launch of Azad Bharat, film releasing on 2nd Jan, a film by Rupa Iyer ji. Our star cast is here. Our stars who have been absolutely stunning on the silver screen. Shreyas Talpade is also here, ladies and gentlemen. We'll surely have him on stage. Zordar Taliyan for Shreyas Talpade, ladies and gentlemen. For our very own Suresh Oberoi sir, who's here, and of course our filmmaker Rupa Iyer ji is here. But before we have them on stage, such ace prominent actors on stage, and of course a veteran like Suresh Oberoi ji, मैं चाहता हूं कि हम जो है ट्रेलर पहले देख लें one by one. 3 trailers we have here, जो मैं एक एक करके आपके लिए play करने जा रहा हूं. So, let's start with the very first trailer before we move ahead. Trailer number 1. जोरदार तालियों के साथ मैं मंच पे आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा, अभिनंदन करना चाहूंगा रूपा अय्यर जी का. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. रूपा अय्यर जी, जोरदार तालियां. Come on everybody, please. I know we all have cameras in our hands and
this film Azad Bharat, it's not just a cinema. Of course, it's very close to my heart. But a journey, how much I've enjoyed with thoroughly with every artist and the process. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ क्योंकि इतना अच्छा कंटेंट भगवान made me to do this film. I'm a philosopher, so थोड़ा इधर उधर I speak like that only भगवान के नाम से. When I started the cinema, I must thank the very first person, Rajyashree Chaudhary ma'am, who's a great granddaughter of Netaji. मेरे हर कदम में, हर जंग में, and her struggle में while I was making this cinema, every time she told me, Rupa, don't stop, don't stop. You have to move on. So, though I had lot of troubles and problems, she motivated me to come till here. And फिर भी मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ because हर एक आर्टिस्ट को चूज करने में and also it was a destiny I believe. वैसे भगवान मुझे ऐसे 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 लेके चला. As you people saw this, how you saw Netaji का character by versatile actor Shreyas ji, then I was thinking that किसको लेना है नेताजी के character में. हमारा one of the senior most journalist ji Jyoti Venkatesh ji, he introduced me to Shreyas ji because I was requesting him, Shreyas ji से मिलना sir, मुझे appointment नहीं मिल रहा है. Then I tried to reach him so many times. बाद में finally I met him. Then he was asking me that why do you feel that I can play Netaji ka character? I was strongly feeling that his face we can mold like that. Of course, he's a versatile actor and he will get into any character if you give. So I'm a big fan of him. And when we met, then he later agreed with the narration and the story what I told him. See, this is a cinema. It's not a biography of somebody. It's about Netaji का पहला महिला आर्मी था रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट. So उसके बारे में and also of many unsung heroes के बारे में I wanted to bring back this story on big screen because हमारे आजकल के बच्चे लोग ना इतना होकर भी मोबाइल है, टीवी है, कंप्यूटर है, सब कुछ is there, but still they say I'm so frustrated, I'm so irritated, भगवान ने मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिया. But तब they did not have anything. फिर भी at that teenage में they all fought for the country. उनका प्यार, परिवार सब कुछ छोड़ के देश पहले है. वही एक मंत्र पकड़ के वो लोग सब कुछ छोड़ के देश के लिए काम किए थे. And also, especially this Meera Arya character, she sacrificed so much. नेताजी के लिए देश पहले है करके she killed her own husband and they put her in a jail, they cut her breast, they throw her. Still, she did not commit suicide. Still she did not come and say, I'm depressed, I don't want this life. But still she survived and she roadside, she sold the flower and she survived independently. This is what my next generation has to learn. And is cinema mein, this is not just a cinema, like there are so many, not just leadership quality, patriotism, sab kuch.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our very own Subhash Chandra Bose on screen and a real life Shreyas Talpade, ladies and gentlemen. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. ये वही श्रेयस तलपड़े हैं जो कभी भी झुकेगा नहीं.
Please be seated. Sir, please be seated. Then ऐसे ही that when after I met him, then I wanted Sir Chajju Ram. पर my film में और एक very important character है, where Chajju Ram जी adopts 4 children, but देश के लिए सब लोगों को एक फील्ड में काम करने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं. He was a wonderful person. Even today, you can Google search about Chajju Ram ji. He has done many dharmshala, kuwa banaya, and also colleges banaya, and also he made many good things for society, and he used to support so many people like Bhagat Singh, Netaji, wo sabhi ko. He was an industrialist. And Chajju Ram के character के लिए when I was मैं ढूंढ रही थी, then I with so much of influence I could reach out हमारे प्यारे सुरेश ओबेरॉय sir, senior most person, because I was scared to talk to him initially. Then I used little bit of influence. Sir, central minister से उनको phone करवा के then sir उनको बोलिए I will call him. वैसा वो सभी बोल के then I spoke to sir. But sir ना such a wonderful person. मुझे look test करने का था. For that also he told me no रूपा जी आप मत आइए, मुंबई मत आइए. You should not waste your time. You should not waste your money. I will only come to Bangalore क्योंकि नेताजी के बारे में ये फिल्म है. I am willing to do. The very first conversation में he accepted it, and I humbly request him to come on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our very own Suresh Oberoi sir. Warm welcome sir. Please, हम चाहते हैं आप हमारी स्टार कास्ट विराजमान हो जाए सर. सर के लिए प्लीज तहे दिल से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Time we are like, wow, is that really Shreyas Talpade? तो सबसे पहले Shreyas, before we move ahead with the media Q&A, हम सबका सवाल यही है हमारे माइंड में कि जब आपको पहली बार ये बताया गया था कि Shreyas, you are going to play Subhash Chandra Bose in Azad Bharat, what was your reaction going back to that time, and did Rupa ji, convince you, and how much she had to convince you to do this character? Because पहली बार जब ऐसा किरदार आता है तो लगता है कि क्या ये मैं कर पाऊंगा.
Hi Abhinandan, thank you so much for all the lovely words also and for the lovely introduction. नमस्ते सभी को. आज ढेर सारी बातें एक्चुअली मैं करना चाहता हूँ, बट आई आंसर योर क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. तो आज ये स्क्रीन पे जो मैं दिख रहा हूँ, it is all thanks to this lady sitting here next to me, Rupa ji. Because जब पहली बार मुझे बताया गया था कि एक फिल्म कर रहे हैं और उसमें आपको नेताजी का किरदार करना है, तो I was just speechless, to be very honest. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि मैं नेताजी जैसा दिखूंगा, उनके जैसा कुछ कर पाऊंगा. एंड व्हेन जब ज्योति वेंकटेश जी, इनका फोन आया था कि ऐसा फिल्म है, आप जरा भी, तो मैंने उनसे भी कहा था, कह रहे ज्योति जी मैं कैसे लगूंगा नेताजी, मतलब दैट पर्सनालिटी और मेरे में कोई सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है. एंड देन आई स्पोक विद रूपा मैम, और उन्होंने एक ही चीज कही कि अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, आपको थोड़ा भी डाउट है, हम एक छोटी सी लुक टेस्ट करते हैं. ओके, हमारे मेकअप का जो टीम है वो आके एक लुक टेस्ट करके आपको रेडी कर देंगे. उसके बाद में यू डिसाइड, इफ यू फील कि आप ऐसे लग रहे हैं तो यू डिसाइड. एंड जब हमने वो लुक टेस्ट की, जब पहले वो उन्होंने तस्वीरें खींची तो मैंने कहा अच्छा मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. जब मैंने वो फोटो देखा, आई वॉज ब्लोन, आई वॉज अमेज्ड कि वाकई में कैसे आप ट्रांसफॉर्म हो सकते हो. ऑफकोर्स एज एन एक्टर यू नो दैट आपके पास कोई कैरेक्टर आता है तो आप उसको पढ़ते हो और आप इमेजिन करते हो क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं वगैरह वगैरह. बट अ पर्सनैलिटी लाइक नेताजी, टू पोर्ट्रे दैट ऑन स्क्रीन वाज ऑफ कोर्स अ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी. इट वाज अ ह्यूज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. बट व्हेन आई सॉ माई सेल्फ the first time with that look, somewhere I felt confident कि नहीं है. I think I can do it. Of course, there's a lot of effort that you will have to put in, but अगर वो नहीं हो तो फिर मजा ही क्या है. तो वो, and of course, Rupa ma'am जैसे director है, who's going, you know, all the way to support you and encourage you and give you that confidence. So I think it is teamwork. जो हमें थिएटर में भी हमेशा से सिखाया जाता है कि आप अकेले कुछ नहीं करते हो. It is always teamwork. So I think it's thanks to the team, everyone put together. जिस तरीके के डायलॉग्स लिखे गए, जिस तरीके से मुझे डायरेक्ट किया गया, गाइड किया गया, आई थिंक वो जो आज दिख रहा है, इट इज ऑल थैंक्स टू माय डायरेक्टर रूपा जी.
क्या बात है. और आई थिंक 2 जैन को हर इंसान यही कहेगा, श्रेयस तल पड़े झुकेगा नहीं.
ये कल से ना हमारा पूरा देश जानेंगे हमारा नेताजी.
क्या बात है, वाह.
हमारा नेताजी.
सो
मैं ये मतलब एक बात यहाँ पे कहना चाहूँगा. पर्सनली आई एम सो हैप्पी टुडे बिकॉज सुरेश जी शायद ये चीज़ भूल गए होंगे, बट 90s की बात है जब हम कॉलेज में थे और विवेक एंड मी वी वर इन द सेम कॉलेज, वी वर इन द ड्रामा टीम टुगेदर. और जो आवाज़ की आज इतनी मेरी तारीफ हो रही है, वो आवाज को इंस्पायर करने वाले आज यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. ओके, तो जिनकी आवाज सुन के हम बड़े हुए और बोले यार ऐसी आवाज अपनी कैसी हो सकती है, तो जिसने आवाज पे काम किया, मुझे आज भी याद है, हम एक बार पूरी रात भर हम लोग कॉलेज में रिहर्सल करने वाले थे और विवेक ने मुझसे कहा कि मैं और एक और हमारा दोस्त था कि प्लीज घर पे चलना, पापा की परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी. बोला यार तू जा, हम उनके सामने कैसे आएंगे. नहीं, तुम लोग साथ में रहोगे तो वो शायद अलाउ कर देंगे. तो हम उसके घर गए यहाँ पे और हम सीढ़ियों से ऊपर जा रहे थे और ऊपर से आवाज आई, मैं आज भी नहीं भूला हूँ. ऊपर से आवाज आई हरिओम, और सब नीचे आ रहे थे और हम देखे, हम दोनों जो दोस्त थे, मैं और जयदीप हमारा, हम दोनों पीछे खड़े हो गए कि भैया तू आगे बात करना जो भी बात करते हैं. तो विवेक ने बात की, पापा ऐसे ऐसे रात भर रिहर्सल, टाटा पागल हो गए हो, रात भर रिहर्सल, पूरे दिन भर रिहर्सल किया, इतने दिन से कर रहे हो, रात भर भी रिहर्सल करोगे, कल शो है, कैसे परफॉर्म करोगे वगैरह वगैरह. तो तुम लोग को क्या कहना है. हम बोले आप सही कह रहे हैं आप तो कह रहे सही कह रहे. बोले ठीक है जाओ, लेकिन खाना खा के जाओ. सो वी हैड आवर फूड एंड देन यू नो विवेक के बड़े भाई जो थे उन्होंने हमको गाड़ी से कॉलेज में ड्रॉप किया. उसके ऊपर से भी विवेक को डांटा था तब, गाड़ी लेके जाओगे. विवेक ने कहा मुझे गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती. So I cannot forget that. So thank you sir, it is such a pleasure today, you know that वो प्ले था, जब वो प्ले देखने सर आए थे, सर ने तारीफ भी की थी, एंड आज सर के साथ यहाँ स्टेज पर बैठा हूँ. आई थिंक इट्स अ ह्यूज मोमेंट फॉर मी. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इंस्पायरिंग अस all along. Thanks a lot.
Wow, that was really intriguing.
Everything, and I wanted a young Netaji who was in 1942 to 46 के अंदर, who was handling INA का, Indian National Army का रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट, who motivates all youngsters, and सभी महिलाओं को रानी करके बुलाते थे. whether हमारा फादर मदर रानी करके बुलाए कि नहीं, एटलीस्ट नेताजी used to call every woman रानी, so to motivate them. So somehow I felt that he can be the perfect person, and ultimately I believe in Paramatma, so he made me to be there, and everything happened like rightly.
Wow. I think every project, every film has a destiny, as they say, and destiny is blessed because today we have a very own, I would say, living legend, one of the finest veteran and the golden voices, Suresh Oberoi. Please जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, because it's a pleasure to host you and we welcome you once again, sir. और सर, जब आपको बताया गया कि सेठ छज्जाराम लांबा जी का किरदार जो है, सेठ छज्जू राम लांबा जी का किरदार आप प्ले कर रहे हैं, सर व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन? Meanwhile, warm welcome to our very own Amrita Fadnavis ji की जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, ladies and gentlemen. तालियों के साथ, I'm good. Can we please have another?
Crew, little down.
To speak, na? So
Yeah.
then we'll shoot.
Suresh ji.
आप नहीं, आप बात कर लीजिए सर.
This is right up to you. And तो सुरेश सर जब ये आपको सेठ छज्जू रामलाल का किरदार दिया गया था तो व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन एंड वो काफी चर्चा में है तो उसके बारे में आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नमस्कार। रूपा ने कहा था कि किसी मंत्री से फोन करवाया था, तो मैं इनको क्लियर कर दूं कि किसी का फोन आया नहीं था। मैंने सिर्फ आपकी आवाज सुन के, आपकी सेंस ऑफ लॉयल्टी टू द नेशन देख के और प्रोजेक्ट देख के और आपकी मेहनत, आपकी शक्ति देख के मैंने आपको हाँ की थी और उसी वक्त कहा था कि डोंट वेस्ट योर मनी एंड टाइम एंड कम ऑल द वे टू बॉम्बे जस्ट टू टेल द स्टोरी एंड फॉर ऑल दैट। यही फैसला फिल्म में रह गई। उसके बाद किसी मंत्री के यहाँ से आया था, मैंने बोला ऑलरेडी बात हो गई है, ठीक है, क्लियर हो गई।
Yes, sir. Thank you. With her busy schedule, she has given her precious time to us because not just as a CM's wife, she is a social activist and she has done many good things to our society. And always, you know, when I try to talk to her for 2 minutes, also midnight 3 o'clock, tak she'll be working only. Whenever I talk to Sandeep ji, they'll say that she's still there, but even at midnight 2 o'clock, she picks up the phone and she talks. That is how she's dedicated to the society, and we are proud and lucky to have such good leaders in our society, that too a woman leader. When I wanted ma'am's divine voice, I had seen her Shivatandra Stotra ka ek video hai ma'am ka. That I had seen, and then I wanted ma'am's divine voice in my patriotic cinema because ye Netaji ke bare mein kar rahe the. Then I tried to reach her through so many people, but again same thing like sir. Later on I took ma'am's number. I directly contacted her. You know what? She called me to her home and उन्होंने मुझे खाना खिला के प्यार से बात करके again she told me this is for the country, this is for Netaji. I'm willing to sing a song, and that is how everything. How I was telling you people the destiny to me to all the people. That is how man is here.
Shreyas ji, sir, you are our idol, Suresh ji, and it is lovely to be here. And oh, what a film! This movie, Azad Bharat, which talks about the life of Neera Arya, is wonderfully played this character, Rupa ji. She's not just played this character, but she's also directed the movie, she's produced the movie. तो ये कितना मुश्किल काम है, ये we all know कि एक तरफ अभिनय भी करना और दूसरी तरफ जाके डायरेक्शन भी देना, प्रोड्यूस भी करना. It's a Herculean task and you've done it well. Congratulations. I've sung this Indian National Army का national anthem for this movie. It's my small contribution for my love towards Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ji, जिन्होंने yes definitely he lit the fire in the sky of independence, and he was the one who brought to existence the Indian National Army, and also his best contribution I feel was the Women's Army, जिसको हम रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट कहते हैं, जिसके बारे में इस मूवी में विस्तृत तरीके से बताया गया है. तो आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू मैम that you are bringing to light the forgotten voices, and in fact Neera Arya के बारे में तो we don't have any mention in the history also as far as I know. So you have got back voices which mattered in the freedom struggle. Thank you for that. And what time, right time to bring forth this movie to the audiences. 2nd of Jan you're coming with this movie, and Netaji का जयंती बर्थडे भी तभी है 23rd January को, so we all can pay tributes to him for his devotion, for his sacrifice through this movie, by watching this movie and promoting this movie. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Wow. And Rupa ji, I think before we move ahead to media Q&A, when we have Amrita.
सूरज बनकर जग पर चमके भारत नाम सुहागा, जय हो जय हो जय हो, जय 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 हो.
humbleness. And I'm extremely lucky, मैं पहले ही बोल चुकी थी ये, मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ. हर एक आदमी को हर एक सेलिब्रिटीज को इस फिल्म में ऐसे लाकर ये फिल्म बनाना भगवान ने मेरे डेस्टिनी में ऐसे लिखा था. तो it happened. I'm thankful to Imam, and also after that also she's been supporting me. Like I requested ma'am, मैं press meet कर रही हूँ ma'am, आपको ये करना है नेताजी के लिए. Then she said yes, I will come. See, many people we have to request them 100 times, but with ma'am, for Netaji, for Desh Pehle hai, we always use that mantra. No, she also says Desh Pehle hai. Desh ke liye, Netaji ke liye kuch bhi kar sakte hain. So I'm thankful to you, ma'am. So kind of you. And Pura Desh. Today we have released this song through Z Music se. So Pura Desh aapka gana sunenge. From Talia goes to all of these people, sir. Without them, I couldn't have done. Because in every struggle and every step, I was telling Netaji ke great granddaughter, ma'am, how she stood and helped me, motivating. They need not have to be with me physically, but they motivated me to finish the cinema. Go Rupa, go ahead, do. The same way, ma'am also, she never said no to anything, whatever we asked for, because this is a patriotic cinema. And the same way, Shreyas ji, whenever I requested for a date, I used to trouble Arun ji. Though he was so busy, he accommodated everything. And Suresh ji के बारे में मुझे बताना ही है. While we were shooting, he fell down, ulta fell down, but it started bleeding. But still he told me, Rupa ji, आपको पैसा waste नहीं करना है, shooting बंद नहीं करना है. We were worried because of his age and all. He fell down ulta like this. Then still also he told me, I'll finish the shooting and then I'll go to take the treatment. Such a humanity and humbleness. Such a big actor, and I'm very new to them. मैं local regional cinemas करके ये करने के लिए आई थी, but still all these people, they supported me like family. And
what made you choose this subject and this stellar cast? Tell us about that.
Actually, if you see my past films, always I've made socially conscious films. When I was working in New York, I came back to India, I started my trust and all. For HIV infected children only, I made my first cinema. All my cinemas have won state awards and international awards also. Always I choose a subject which are related to the society and socially conscious cinemas. But yes, cinema, basically I'm a very patriotic person. So that is how it is interconnected. What Chanakya says that to become a leader, you should have a philosophy inside you. So, वैसे my philosophy, and when I look at my next generation people, and when I run a charitable trust and looking at prison inmates and remand home kids and other people and the society, I felt that people should have social responsibility, one thing in the next generation, and also they should have patriotism, and everything goes hand in hand spirituality में. That is how when I came and when I met Netaji ka great granddaughter ma'am and INA ka veteran people, and when I heard about Meera Arya ji ka story through public mein, I started researching on that content, and it took literally 3 years for me because all these characters, including Chajju Ram ji ka ek book mein nahi milta hai, ek media mein nahi milta hai. So we had to do all those things, and also in many places they say Meera Arya ko Kala Pani mein they had put. No, it's not there. I went to Kala Pani and I searched kiska naam hai INA ka. So we had to search the real place where and all they had put INA people. So iske piche bahut sare kaam tha, but I started crying while writing the script only, and every dialogue where Netaji says that तुम काल का स्वरूप हो, तुम्हारे अंदर ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति है, वो सभी while writing only, I felt that how much Netaji used to motivate everyone, because आप लोग जानते हैं उस समय में, as I said, there was no WhatsApp and mic and programs ऐसे करके चलो हम लोग लड़ेंगे देश के लिए. But I don't know how Netaji formed the army in 7 countries. He went and he called all youngsters. Youngsters left their वो शादी के right time पे they left everyone and they came to the army and they fought for the country. ऐसे हिम्मत only नेताजी में थे. So that force only might have forced me to do this.
Since a lot of actors have previously said the role of Bush, so how did you approach this role?
Mike.
This is the last part.
How did you prepare for this role, and did you Sit have down. to work on your character? A lot of other actors have played this role.
Yes, I think more than being compared with other actors, it is the responsibility of playing a towering personality like Netaji on screen, which was paramount in my head at that point in time. And I think when you have a director like Rupaji, who is so passionate about the subject, who is so passionate about those characters, it makes your job relatively easier because you completely surrender yourself to a director like that, and you just follow her directions. This is how I want you to portray. This is like when she said कि तुम काली का स्वरूप हो, पूरे ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति है. The way she would motivate us at that point in time. नेताजी, आप नेताजी है और आप उनको मोटिवेट कर रहे हो, तो आप कैसे कहोगे? ये सीक्वेंस ऐसा है, रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट की स्थापना हो गई है, आप कैसे करोगे? So I think obviously उनके जो मैनरिज्म्स है, उनका जो बोलने का तरीका है, वो हम मैच करने की कोशिश करते हैं. We try to reach as close to that personality as possible. हो सकता है हमसे कुछ गलतियां वहाँ पे हो, but at least the intention is right कि हम कोशिश करें. And जब वो spirit सही हो, तो मुझे लगता है वो काम लोगों तक पहुँचने में ज़्यादा आसान होता है. कि instead of trying to just match, अच्छा ऐसे होंगे, उससे better मुझे ये लग रहा था कि I have to make sure that I get the spirit right of नेताजी. कि उन्होंने कैसे, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि 7 countries में अगर आर्मी फॉर्म करनी है, लोगों को साथ में लाना है, इकट्ठा करना है, फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में उनका सहयोग चाहिए, लोग शादियां छोड़ के, घर छोड़ के, बच्चों को छोड़ के अगर उनको ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं, तो उनमें ऐसी क्या ताकत होगी, उनके स्पीचेस में, उनके बोलने में क्या ताकत रही होगी कि जिसको सुन के लोग वहां चले आते थे. तो आई थॉट आई हैव टू गेट दैट स्पिरिट ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर राइट. इफ आई डू दैट, देन प्रॉब्ली फॉर मी I will feel that I have done something useful in the film. And yes, Baki, of course, with your makeup, with your costumes, with your other things and accessories, you try to look like him as much as possible. But I think if you don't get the spirit right, then everything goes for the toss.
Because a lot of people believe that Bose is still alive. What are your views on that?
I'm extremely happy he'll be there forever in different Sambhavami Yuge mein, how Krishna says, like that Bose will be there in all of us and baad mein bhi rahenge. But that you are talking about Nami Baba ji ka na? Maybe like, I don't know, that somebody has to do the research. But I feel very happy, unka energy is there in all of us. So that is what is moving us to do everything with lot of struggle and problems. Whatever came in front with me, even with the cinema, so many people that put a case, so many people they came and inquired and they did all these things. But still we did not stop. ऐसे जाके now we finished and it is releasing. See, everything came on place. We are releasing in January only. I never planned anything. His energy is pushing. So I'm thankful to Netaji.
Wow.
My question to Amruta मैम, आपको जब गाना ऑफर क्या ऑफर हुआ था, तो आपने किस तरह से उस पर रिएक्ट किया? क्या आपको थोड़ा वक्त लगा इसके लिए, या फिर किस तरह प्रिपरेशन हुआ था, उस बारे में बता सके आप?
After it was offered to me, मैं मैम से personally मिली, and I have a protocol. I have to get it approved for the finances which are coming in, or direction, production में कौन है. I have to clear the names through the protocol. But I was quite sure that I had to sing. That's why I went to the protocol, because we know Netaji. He lit the sky of the fire of independence struggle. तो वो तो करना ही था हमारे नेताजी के लिए, जो आज भी जैसे मैम ने बोला एक एनर्जी बन के अपना ही एक अंश है. So that motivated me to go ahead with marriage.
Very good evening, Rupaji. My name is Monty. I'm from ITV, New York. I guess we have something in common. You were also in New York, and first of all, I want to congratulate you on this wonderful, wonderful project. When you talk about patriotic cinema, it's one of the most challenging genres ever in filmmaking, because it's a hit or miss. And kudos to you for taking such a brave step. There must have been something really great about Neera Arya, which has probably inspired you to direct, produce, write this phenomenal project. My question is to all 4 of you. I just wanted to hear from all 4 of you. You were talking about a message that the youth will get. This is entertainment with purpose, this project.
Yes.
So starting from Suresh sir, when you watch this movie, what message do you get and what message do you feel? And same thing with Amrita ma'am and you, as well as Shreyas. So what message do you give to the audience?
One falls in love with his country once you see this, watch this film, and then it empowers us, especially the children today. If they come to know that this is my country, then they'll be proud of the country. You know, they should know the stories and incidents. जो सुनकर उनको शक्ति मिलेगी, हाँ मेरा भारत है, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ दिस कंट्री. मैंने मेरे देश की कहानी है. जब एक फायर एक लेडी ऐसे कर सकती है, मैं क्यों नहीं? You know, that kind of a thing should be there. नहीं तो लोग तो सारा दिन टीवी पे और न्यूज़पेपर में क्या दिखाते हैं? बेकार की कंट्री है, गरीब लोग हैं, भूखे मरते हैं. So their minds are already polluted, corrupted by all this nonsense. तो ऐसी चीजों उनको, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था कि ये फिल्म ऐसी एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्सेस माना हुआ है. ऐसी फिल्में स्टूडेंट्स को और कॉलेज को दिखाना चाहिए. दिस इज फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन. जो चले गए बड़े तो चले गए, लेकिन जो आने वाले उनको तो मालूम होना चाहिए ना.
मैं इतना ही अपनी यंग जनरेशन को, जेन जी, जेन एक्स सबको बोलना चाहूँगी कि जो फ्रीडम मिला है हमको, that's not a gift. It has been a result of the toil, the bloodshed and sacrifice of these people who have laid down their lives for our nation. तो वो जज्बा आप में रखिए and always keep nation first before anything, so that we remain independent.
As the Honorable Ma'am rightly said, that is what we require. And initially when I started my speech, I told how these days का children, they give reasons and excuses for everything. सब कुछ है फिर भी वो लोग बोलते हैं मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, भगवान ने कुछ भी नहीं दिया. So I want them to, because I've been closely working with all these kind of special children. So मेरे अंदर भी ये था patriotism, but still, you know, this is like a sugar-coated pills. So cinema medium is a powerful medium. As I said, instead of reading 20 books and researching everything that they won't do if you tell them to do. तो हमारा फिल्म में 7 गानास है, and all this कदम कदम बढ़ाए जाए, even old गाना भी है, नया गाना भी है. So they will relate to it emotionally, and also there are so many content which they can carry when they are going back from the theatre. So that is what my youngsters should go through this, and I want them to lead an independent life, as I said in the beginning itself.
Got an opportunity to portray personality, a towering personality like Netaji on screen. You know, and I genuinely want to keep thanking Rupaji again and again for this, because I don't know who else probably would have thought of making me play Netaji on screen. So when you play, obviously you get to know about that person, you study about that person, and to continue with the last question, जो था कि next generation को, I feel like Amrita ma'am very rightly said that all of us and the next generation, they need to know that ये जो freedom हमें मिला ये ऐसे ही नहीं मिला. Okay, कभी-कभी तो भूल जाते हैं लोग बहुत सारी बात. But the generation and us, we need to keep reminding ourselves again and again that there were people like Netaji जिनके वजह से आज हम ये दिन देख पा रहे हैं. And secondly, I think when you see the film, you realize that you need one person to inspire and motivate you. Are you that person?
Wow. Yeah, very well said.
Can you do that?
Hello. Rupaji, my question to you.
Yes, one last question?
Yeah. सबसे पहले आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर बनाया.
Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड जैसा आपने कहा कि 7 गाने हैं इस फिल्म में, 2 तो हमने ट्रेलर में सुने, एक मैडम ने बड़ा अच्छा गाना गाया. वो इनमें से कोई दूसरा गाना भी गा रही है मैडम?
एक ही next film I want her to act also.
बाकी भी
I requested ma'am.
एंड रिकॉर्डिंग आपने कितने दिनों में कंप्लीट की थी?
Ma'am का एक ही दिन. She is a professional singer, no? तो एक ही दिन में किया था. Yeah, she just learned when we had given the track.
So I had heard the scratch of that song, and then she went to Yashraj. I went to Yashraj और हमने within an hour वो record कर लिया था song. देखिए उसकी ट्यून वी ऑल नो, द ट्यून इज जन गण मन। ट्यून याद करना तो था ही नहीं, सिर्फ वर्ड्स थोड़ा ध्यान में लाने थे, which was easy for me.
Right. One last.
यहाँ पर भी होती है, वो चीज हमेशा से ख्याल होता है, तो क्या लगता है ये गाना कितना लोगों तक पहुंचेगा, कितना लोगों को छूटेगा?
See, we are not behind all those things, ma'am. Passionately, she has given her heart and soul for the cinema, and especially this kind of patriotic cinema. It is always related with heart and soul. So, कितने लोगों को पहुंचेगा, वो क्या होगा commercially? We are not at all worried about all these people here. Whoever is sitting, passionately we have made this project. Thank you.
आप जितनों को पहुंचाएंगे उतना पहुंचेगा. So you should do it for Netaji
Yes.
and for her spirit.
Yes, and it's already on Zee Music's channel.
No,
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
ma'am has to leave.
Okay.
Then
Right.
we can
Thank
continue.
you so
Right.
much.
As I told her, ma'am, the same way, we have made the film with passion and love and whatever we have towards Netaji, INA, Women Army, and towards Meera Arya Mosavi. So I'm not behind any. See, formally we are releasing through Zee Studios and Zee Music and everything. Zee is supporting us because they are also fan of Netaji. It's not commercially we are looking at these things. But my motto is to reach out to my next generation and youngsters to learn something from this so that they will lead a better life, strong life. That's all. It's not commercially Rupai has to become a rich person or he has to become a rich person. It's not the motto. That is the reason I did a research, even every dialogue, what we say here and everything. So it motivates my next generation.
So how you see, Prayas, can I ask the same question to you also? How do you see in today's scenario, how it will connect to the youth? Like, with movies today are very motive driven and
See, I think at
gender driven.
the end of the day, it is the story that connects people. If you find the story relatable, if you find the characters relatable, then every story connects. If you don't, then the story doesn't connect. It is as simple as that. Like Rupaji very rightly mentioned that we've done it with a certain intention that she wanted to reach out to the younger generation so that they get to know what that story is about Netaji, about Meera Arya, about Indian National Army, about Rani Jhansi Regiment and all those things. So as long as we are successful in that intention of ours to reach out to those people, if we're able to do that, I think we probably have achieved what we set out for. So we've done it to the best of our ability. Now it is up to the audience to eventually see it and decide for that.
And the audience, it is their responsibility also.
We will
Now,
do our
now
best.
the ball is in your court.
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने हमारा बेस्ट किया, अब मीडिया को करना चाहिए ना, देश के लिए.
Rightly said,
It's a
Basil.
humble request, yeah. That is the reason I've made it in Hindi because Netaji is larger than life. He doesn't have any limitation to one geographical area. He's bigger than all these things. So that is the reason I wanted to reach out करके भी मैं South में करती थी till now. So that is the reason I came here and I did in Hindi. पूरा देश को, पूरा world को पहुंचाना है.
Wow. Thank you so much, guys, for your questions. Thank you. Okay. One last.
My question is to Shreyas. Shreyas, like to say, we all, we are seeing you from economic comic to now we'll be seeing you in this role, patriotic, Netaji Superstar. So, I mean, that thing, how you will take it? Like, so much in our mind it is that role, your images we are having that type of.
Which one you're talking about?
Yeah, comic and
Oh, comedy films. Okay, yeah. No, so I guess every actor lives for a day like this when he gets to play something new, something challenging, and I don't think this can get more challenging than that. So, for me as an actor, when I wake up every morning, I look forward to the day only if there is something new that I have to perform. Otherwise, it's the same routine. And the reason that I'm in this profession is because I get to live so many lives every day. So yes, the journey has been quite fantabulous with a lots of ups and downs. but some really memorable films, memorable parts. And I'm glad the kind of love that people and all of you have given me for so many years. I cannot really repay it back, but the only thing I can request is there's one more opportunity from me. In front of you, I would really like it if you can just go and watch it and give it your love so that more people come and watch the film.
Ma'am, I want to ask you. You have seen all his comedies in us, but don't you see Netaji in him? See, when you saw that only, you have to tell us, na, he fits for that. And also, unka I know he's a versatile actor, but still, when we see him as Netaji, he's Netaji.
So credit of course goes to Rupa ji for actually introducing this side of yes.
मेहनत तो मैम सभी करते हैं, मतलब हर एक्टर मेहनत करता है, बट मुझे लगता है कि वो स्पिरिट लाना ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था. जब तक वो हमारा सही नहीं हुआ, हम तब तक रिहर्सल करते रहे, और जब रूपा मैम को लगा कि नहीं अब करेक्ट है, देन वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग.
No, he is a versatile actor. मैं करेक्ट करके इतना बड़ा आर्टिस्ट को he himself did everything. It was easy for me actually. He had seen all Netaji का black and white का videos है, even how to shake hand, how to do this, his manners, his behaviors, everything he had seen. And मैं as a director, because मुझे नीरा आर्या का कैरेक्टर भी करने का था, वो मॉडर्न ड्रेस का वो भी करने का था, and also direction करने का था. So he never troubled me. He only did his homework and he became Netaji with every dialogue.
Wow. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the stellar Straka of Azam.
The same thing, the INA ka, NCC ka, more than 500 real cadets, they came and participated in the shooting. Every dialogue of Netaji, they used to clap there only. So they used to feel that, okay, Netaji is motivating us really. So that is where we realized we are seeing the real Netaji. Yes, sir.
मनोज कुमार जी काफी दिन में देखी, उसके बाद ये काफी ब्रेक आ गया, तो अभी मुझे लगा कि उसी मनोज कुमार आप आई हैं, और ये कब तक रहेगा, और ये फीलिंग आपके अंदर कैसे उठा?
क्या बात.
Again, sir, ये बड़ा क्वेश्चन है. मैं before this press meet also I was talking to you philosophically. ये सभी some energy हमारे अंदर घुसकर ये स्टोरी कर उतना डिफिकल्टीज तकलीफ आए तो भी you have to do करके पुश करके then every step I took it further, and so every people I went to Rajan sir when my film was stopped. So every step में one after the other energy they came and all energy became one energy. That is the power of Netaji.
Wow.
I'm nothing. I'm just a temporary. Rupa Iyer personality is just a temporary thing. Even Subhash ji, he motivated me so much. हमारा DSC sir, Dr. Subhash Chandra sir, every time I go, एक board होता है. So we have to be very professional, and every meeting में Subhash ji motivated me. So every character, all of them, they motivated me so much that this is not my cinema. This is हमारा देश का cinema है. So I'm thankful to मेरा Z team also. Everyone they have put lot of effort to do this successful event. And आप सबको ना, you have come here and you felt happy ना. That is, see again, energy is transferring here. Because so many people they comment and they say negative things, वो सभी. But आप लोग इतना मन से you people are telling me that it was really good, it is really good. So whatever the effort I had put, and every day I used to cry in the sets only. Arun ji and Shreyas ji has seen. Every day shooting में मैं रोती थी, and इतना काम करके even Suresh sir has seen. तो उसका everything इकट्ठा करके it has become आजाद भारत, a story of Meera आपके सामने है. And now I need your support and help. Please take it further. It's your cinema.
Wow. On such a beautiful note and statement, जोरदार तालियां बजाते हैं दिल से for this ace filmmaker who's got this brainchild and made this beautiful film Azad Bharat. Thank you so much, Rupa ji. Thank you so much. Shreya Talpade जोरदार तालियों के साथ. Thank you so much, Suresh Oberoi sir, for being part of this, and thank you so much, our media fraternity, for being here, for patiently waiting. Thank you so much, Aziz.
कैमरा
Honorable Amrita